Ebusiafo, on behalf of Kofi Kinaata fans and a good music lovers, Ghana Music Award, what's the member someone a day? Obanadan and a one nominated Kofi Kinaata and fans were the Artist of the Year category. Not the King Solomon of Ghana music himself. You failed to nominate him. Anyway, Ebusiafo, assembly in there, year and the review, dancing from the release of the Kofi EP. Kofi Kinaata has been consistent in dishing out great and good music. It's about originality, only about popularity. Them Ghana music, it's about time that we include people that represent authentic Ghanaian music. Kofi Kinaata, the rebel leader of good music in Ghana. No, but then in the one nominated musicians, one cassette when you are year and the review, Kofi Kinaata himself did well than them. But when I know Kakada Bon Kinaata, now confront man girls are for him for year and the review. Kofi's the Ghana music, I can and I'm UN. Wako represent Kofiana Nazi in Ampo still. Kofi's Kofi International. What else do you want? With all the shows occurred last year in Ghana, back to back, cash out, Kofi both shows from corporate to the street to the festivals. Anyway, with 6 nominations, Minjin's there, you guys can tell me there, Kofi Kinaata is not fit to be in the Artist of the Year category. You come how one or Aoty and Tama from the corporate environment to the streets in Obiara Donyumi. Now, I want to tell you guys there, Enyom is not only in Accra. Into some of the musicians you nominated in the Artist of the Year category, so walk outside Accra, they keep on saying, Mintio, because the audience do not even know their music. Talk of concerts, Made in Tardy happens to be one of the biggest concerts in 2024. Into Warri Ramadan, please. The fact there, Yempe controversy and Cheddars offer and Mama one family. The interesting thing in there, Ghana Music Award, what planning there were nominees jam this year. What by your Takradi? Everybody what Takradi are Kofi Kinaata or the overlord and the ruler of Takradi music. And everybody audience you want Babebo good Takradi, Mawash musical concerts na the bayanade. Well, we don't have the energy to do back and forth with you guys. If you guys think that the decision is a right one, I won't call Nanyambo Konkonyoman Damana Dachi Grammy Bar. Wa fin was in a way be singing there. Nagana Nibia Renim. We need to represent good music on behalf of Ghanaians. Ebusiafo, into Zamakanya there. Say Artist of the Year was Yana Kahun and Fanyana and Kahun. Still move or record.
Hey, mojo amata simple, bano kwanye denya wene nyabini power photo ma wa fie sumo fumbu. Na ya bella lintra. I think I saw 1/4
Nemom, I release your ma, Mumu beji non kede hey, akwezo obonyansa nyumu. Oh, be lie.
Oh, be lie.